Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to move Notion widgets and how to create them. So to do this, you're basically going to open up your template where you are filling up something, and then you want to go ahead to widgetbox.app, sign up here, it's free, and you want to create a widget. So let's, for example, choose a weather option for now. And let's create a full weather podcast. As you can see, this widget is not available in my plan, so you would need to upgrade it. But let's choose a clock, for example, and which is free. Now you're gonna choose a background, Notion dark mode, because my Notion is in dark mode, so I want to create a weather, maybe this color. Now let's make it in black, rounded corners, and the clock type, for example, 24-hour. And now you're just gonna copy this link. You can also rename it and then copy it. You go back here and you're gonna paste it. And now, as you can see, it will ask to create a bookmark or create embed. So you want to click create embed, like so. And now, as you can see, you can move it like this. And you can do alignments like center, left, and so on and so forth. And you can move it like this. Or you can drag it like so and make it smaller. Now, when you come into the corner, as you can see, it makes it smaller. And now when you click on these dots, it shows you that when you drag it to move, click to open the menu, and basically you can drag it somewhere here and replace it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.